Morning. Today we are going to discuss about a new benefit given to the quarterly tax filers, quarterly GST return filers. A benefit is given. See this invoice furnishing facility. There is one important update which I want to discuss with all of you. So I've divided this topic into two parts. First, I will explain just basics. What is this invoice furnishing facility? And then what is this new functionality which is developed for the benefit of IFF users? See this. First one, say I am a registered person. I am filing quarterly GST returns, quarterly GSTR1, etc. I am into QRMP scheme. But now we have an option who are into QRMP scheme. We have an option to file monthly IFF, invoice furnishing facility. And on the basis of my supplier's monthly IFF, the recipient shall be eligible to take the ITC. मेरे जो IFF में file करूँगा supplier, the invoice and ITC detail shall be auto-populated in recipient's 2B and recipient shall be eligible to take the ITC. But this IFF is not compulsory. Supplier may file, supplier may not file. It is optional given to us. Okay, now please listen. What is this new functionality? What is this development for IFF? How the supplier shall be benefited? Please understand. Say I am a registered person. For the quarter of July to September, for the month of say July 21, I don't need to file GSTR1. मेरा तो quarterly है ना. So for July 21, I don't need to file GSTR1, but I have an option to file IFF. So what I did, I imported data in IFF. I saved the data. Just save करके रखा. But I have not submitted IFF or I have not uploaded IFF. बस data save कर दिया. Since I have not submitted, since I have not uploaded, the recipient will not get the ITC. Recipient को 2B में pop-up भी नहीं है. सिर्फ मैंने सेव करके रखा. हाँ, I failed to upload. कुछ भी reason से I did not upload. Clear? Now I realized this in August. So I thought यार जुलाई का तो चलो submit नहीं किया. Let us submit of say August 2021. While preparing IFF of August 2021, what happened? मैंने तो जुलाई में डेटा सेव करके रखा था. अब अगस्त का भी मैं डेटा सेव कर रहा हूं, तो पता है क्या होता है? GST portal will now give you a pop-up, sir, that whatever data you are just saved in IFF of July, you can import in IFF of August. जो जुलाई में डेटा सेव किया है, अपलोड नहीं किया, सबमिट नहीं किया, you can now import that in IFF of August 21, and you can submit and upload IFF of August 21 along with the invoices of July. So अगर मैं अगस्त में करूंगा तो the recipient will get credit of July and August in August. So now you don't need to again prepare and upload everything again of July in IFF of August. आप straight away उसको import कर सकते हो. This is the benefit given. Clear? Similarly, say for the quarter of July to September, for the month of July and for the month of August, I'm not required to file GSTR1. So I prepared IFF. I saved the data. But what I did not submit or I did not upload IFF of July. I did not upload IFF of August. बस सब सेव करके रखा, फिर भूल गए. So बेचारे recipients को तो ITC मिला ही नहीं, but data सेव करके रखा. Now why I'm required to prepare IFF नहीं, it should be GSTR1. Why I'm preparing GSTR1 for the month of July to September. जब मैं GSTR1 भरूंगा, GST portal will give me pop-up that sir, whatever data आपने save करके रखा है in IFF of July and in IFF of August, you can import this in GSTR1 of July to September. पूरे वापस GSTR1 में जुलाई अगस्त का डेटा मत डालना. You have a facility to import this. So this is the new functionality. This is the benefit given to IFF users. Okay, see this. Because of this new functionality, the registered person who has just saved the data, please understand, who has not submitted or uploaded, who have just saved the data, they have an option to import the invoice details in IFF or GSTR1 accordingly. Clear? बट एक ही सेम मंथ होने चाहिए क्वार्टर के दो ही। आप सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर क्वार्टर चेंज हो गया तो वो इंपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते, सेम मंथ ऑफ द क्वार्टर देन ओनली यू कैन इंपोर्ट। Clear? Now please understand. If I have submitted or uploaded IFF of July or August, then तो submit हो गया सर। फिर GSTR 1 में तो वापस डालना ही नहीं है। Then this facility to import is not there. So only if you have saved the data, failed, भूल गए to submit, भूल गए to upload for some reason, तो आप next month जब IFF करो तो preceding month of the same quarter का data import कर सकते हैं। Getting it? So this was the latest update which I wanted to share with all of you. Stay tuned for more such updates on my YouTube channel. I will keep giving you latest updates in relation to GST, customs and income tax. Goodbye everyone. Take care.